excited to be shooting another of these impromptu, unedited videos for my Beautylish Lucky Box is what it was called. The kids are going to help me unbox my Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you don't know what
pull out stuff.
You are gonna help pull out stuff by Becca.
Ombre Rouge eye palette.
And I'm very excited about this. Go ahead, John. Mommy's nervous. Mommy's very nervous. I don't own anything by Charlotte Tilbury. Can you believe that? Yes! Look at that. It's a cream highlighter and bronzer. I've heard such good things. You want to smell it? Does it smell good?
Yes.
You want some?
What's your tip?
One swatch on all three of us. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm not looking. I cover my mouth.
So look at this.
From the back, John.
You can look.
No, you can look.
Oh, it's from Jouer. It's the Best of Nudes lip cream collection. Becca Velvet Blurring Primer in Apricot Haze. I do not own this, and I've never tried this. Yay! Oh no, don't open the lid. What is it? Is it a beauty fridge?
I don't know. It won't come out. It's not a beauty fridge. It won't come out.
It's the Smooth Buffer, and this is by, I'm not sure.
Feels like very fluffy dog hair.
This is the Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. Okay, let's go ahead and F up my hair real quick. Here we go. Yes. That was a good box.
They can't even like, they can't, they're gone now.
No, not necessarily.
Okay. Don't
Always
take all the
watching.
stuff off. They're always watching.
Oh, get me out of here.
Fun.
Just take that risk. Some years are good, some years are not, and it just is what it is. That's just part of the experience.
It's just life, guys.
It's just life.
I think this is the last thing.
Okay.
Yes. And we have a hair tie.
A hair tie. It is a slip scrunchie. I was due for a not fantastic box. However, I don't hate it. Hello, my friend. Welcome to the 2026 Beautylish unboxing of the Lucky Bag. I got an extra large Lucky Bag again this year, and we'll see whether I got extra lucky or not. In case you have not met my children, this is
Phoenix.
and you are how many years old?
17.
And this is
John,
and you are
14.
14, and I have dragged them into this video since 2016. So this is our 10th year that I've invited them to be in this video. 10-year anniversary. Are you all ready to open this box with me?
I am.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to open it?
And now
Let's
I'm at
open
that
it.
age where I steal things.
That's true. So it may be very exciting for you. And I
Yes.
will tell you, it feels heavier this year.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I don't know what it has felt like in past years.
It is, yes, a little bit.
Yeah.
It feels like it has something good in it though.
Wait,
I'm
can I
getting
open
I'm
it?
getting good vibes from
You
the
want to
box.
open it?
I would love to open
I'm
it.
getting good vibes too. We'll see. Because
Okay,
some
wait.
years...
Scissor safety.
I think 2020 was the
safety.
year I was sad and I made my children sad. Honestly, there isn't a single thing here that I probably would have actually chosen to buy, which is quite disappointing.
Towards other people and not yourself.
I think so.
That's,
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
We
wait,
were all
what?
kind of sad.
Did you hear what he said?
No, I didn't.
He
I
said
missed
point
it.
it toward other people and not yourself.
Oh, well,
That's-
how about we
That's
just don't
terrible.
stab anyone?
Okay, well, make sure to get out of the way if someone
Okay, I'm
starts
out of the
flying.
way. I'm out of the way. Okay. All right, ready, John? You gonna pull the first thing out?
Ready,
Okay,
ready?
yes.
I'm gonna do the guy.
It should be the paper first. We got to see what the paper looks like this year.
Oh, true.
I've done the
Hold up.
least amount of research on this year than I ever have.
Okay, guess what the paper looks like.
1 year it had sumo wrestlers on it, and that was really
What?
cool. Yeah, that was neat. But it
Now I
usually
have
has
no
something
idea what
cute.
to guess.
Like
I
there
was
was ones
like-
with like little white cats on it. So I don't know.
Pandas.
I'm gonna go fruit.
All right, well, there's a lot of stuff on it. But you were the rightest because there are white cats on it. Hold up.
yay!
Hold up.
Oh, that's so
Hold
cute.
up. There are white cats on it.
I love it. That's really cute.
It is cute.
Because for 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. I hope so.
Thanks, guys. Me
Thank you, Beautylish, for
Yeah.
the encouragement. Okay, are you
All right.
are you going first?
I
You
can
usually
go
do.
First. Okay.
So the prices for everything are going to be on the screen because I forgot to write them down before we came down here. We're kind of rushing because the kids are on schedules. They have studying. They have things that they're trying to do. So I kind of rushed wash down without as much preparation. For those of you just listening, the Beautylish XL box was $150. Shipping was a whopping $20. Sales tax for my state was $9, bringing my grand total to $179 for this box. So quite the investment for a mystery box.
It's all stuck in bubble wrap.
Okay, that's okay. Just give me the thing with the bubble wrap on it.
Well, it doesn't. Okay. I need to pop it.
Do you need help?
You need some
I
scissors?
popped the bubble wrap with my fingers. I got that.
Do you want scissors to cut it?
We're already 2 for 2 as far as things I'm excited for, and I don't think I've ever felt that way. I am curious about this. I'll have to read more about it when I have more, like, not have to keep their attention. If you know anything about this product, let me know. I do know that this is a very, very pricey brand, but I don't really know why, so if you know that too, let me know. I've never heard of scalp exfoliation before. John, you're next. Can we not pop the bubble wrap? Let's not pop that right now. We'll do that later. Okay, John.
There's nothing in there.
I'm looking for the good stuff.
There's nothing in
Bubble
there.
wrap.
Oh, okay. Can we not do that right now, though? Can we wait until after the video, and then you can pop it all you like? Let's wait till after the video, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, all right. Putting this aside, I don't trust you. 1 hour later.
Put like the Kahoot waiting music in the back. Do you know Kahoot?
I do, but it's been a long time.
It's been a minute.
Okay, Miss Teacher. Oh wait, yeah, the box. That's what we're here for, not the bubble wrap.
Nope, not
He's
here
just
for bubble
popping the bubble wrap.
I
You were
like
just
the
sitting here
bubble wrap.
waiting.
You can,
Okay,
you
ready?
can have the bubble wrap when we're done.
It's a clip.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
We've got a Kitsch, I think that's how you pronounce it, Kitsch All Day Hold Cloud Clip. Like,
Their stuff is cute. My
no,
hair
it's not
salon sells
smooshy.
them.
Do they? That might actually be better for your hair than mine. I don't know
cute.
if my hair is gonna fit.
Yeah,
in.
my hair is really short, so this might be perfect for me actually.
Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll fight over
It's
it.
cute.
I'm not mad at that.
Oh, it's not.
I'm not mad at that at all.
Gotta do this.
You gotta do the beauty guru thing.
It's not working. I'm not very good at it. Sorry, guys.
That's okay. Is it dark blue or is it black?
Dark blue.
Dark blue.
Dark blue, yeah.
It's cute. All right,
it is
we're just
cute.
gonna set it back here for now.
All right, next thing. Oh, right, you're right. There is a lot of bubble wrap.
Yeah, I told you.
Next thing, we have Smoke Reflect Temper. Is this a eyeshadow? Yeah. Ultra Pigmented Metallic Cream Shadow.
By
Cream and
Auric.
Powder Eyeshadow Duo.
Samantha Ravendall.
Because I got it. I have one of these from
I think
last
it's
one.
the exact same one.
Really? The one from last year was green. Let's see. Oh,
Is
it's like a.
Ooh. You know what? I had this one, but it dried out because I didn't take good care of it, and it was old. So now I'm happy to
that's the
have it
bottom one
again.
too, right?
Yep. So it's a powder on the top, and it's a cream on the bottom, and they're very nice. And Samantha is lovely, and she lives in Canada.
I have a green one.
Ooh.
It's really cute.
Yeah. So it's just like a bronze, really pretty bronze. You can take the top. And then it's kind of shimmery. So these are really nice toppers, or you can layer it over top and make it a shimmery shadow. So it's either or, however you want to do it. I personally like it as a topper, and I've been more into toppers lately than I was when I got one of these last time. And I think I got a black one, like a dark gray, which wasn't really my jam. This is much more my jam, so I'm very excited about that.
All right,
All
ready?
right, 2 things down.
All right, how lucky do you feel right now?
I'm feeling really lucky.
Yeah.
I'm hoping.
Would you say you might have to knock on wood?
Ah!
It wasn't that bad.
Better knock on wood, baby. So this is, it's Sonia G, but it's still a Japanese brush, and
cute.
this is a really nice crease
It
brush.
looks really nice.
It's actually more dense than some of the crease brushes that I have, but I like that it has the little point, so you can really get in there.
Nice brush.
Yeah, very nice. These are fantastic brushes. I've loved every single Sonia G brush that I've ever gotten, so very excited about that. We are 3 for 3.
All right.
Okay.
We're doing good. We're doing good.
Ready?
Yes. Bring it on.
Ooh. That looks like long-lasting hydration. Is this a lipstick? It is.
It's from Sisley. Sisley's very expensive. I've never owned anything from them. They're like ultra luxury.
What is it?
What?
It comes in,
Sisley
like, a
is
bag?
ultra luxury stuff.
Damn.
Whoa.
Wow. Watch it be red.
It's probably gonna be
If
red.
it's red, you're stealing it because I don't really wear red. Okay, it's pink.
Oh, it's like that's pretty.
But it's still really pretty. Does it smell? No, that's kind of
Yeah,
big, but
that's real
yes,
pretty.
That's really pretty.
I can see you wearing that.
I can wear this one. This one I can wear. I may have to mix it with a little brown for me to like feel like me, but
Yeah.
I can wear that.
Do you want me to throw away packaging?
That's very cool. Yeah, you can throw away the packaging because we are 4 for 4.
Keep this though. Look at that.
That's
fancy.
beautiful.
Who's ready?
I'm ready.
I'm
Let's
ready.
do it. Let's do it. I'm already feeling good.
I don't know what
All
that
right,
is.
here
I don't
we
know what
go.
it is.
Oh, Charlotte
Chantilly.
Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. Because my children now know words. They didn't know words before, and now
Right.
they know words. Is this a
I've seen
highlighter?
those. I don't know how to explain it. Just open it and I'll tell you. If it's
High
working.
blush. So I guess it's a highlighter and a blush at the same
cute.
time.
Is it-
So
let me
it
see
probably
if it's
has
what I think it
the yes,
Yeah,
the poofy.
that's what I was
The
thinking.
poofy
I
at the
just didn't know
top.
how to explain
But
it.
this is a very cute color.
It is.
Let's open it up because I'm keeping everything. Like this is such a good box as far as like me being able to use this stuff. Ooh.
Ooh.
And then
That's
like that.
really pretty.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that's more of a blush than a highlighter, but I will totally rock that.
Yeah.
It's got
That's
a little bit
pretty.
of shine on it. Hey, John, will you hand me
It
that
definitely
paper
is fine.
towel?
You can see it on camera a
yeah,
lot
got
better.
you.
Yeah, beautiful. And then it'll sheer out. Thank you, my love.
Mm-hmm.
I am so happy with this box so far.
Bunch of cute
But
stuff.
also, this is the thing too. I have not been buying a lot of makeup either, so the chances of me have bought something that's in this box are very, very slim compared to previous years. Like I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette one year, and I had already purchased that. And in the same box, I got the Hindash palette that I already had. So I was like, ugh. So this year, it's not happening.
All right, guys. Next thing.
Next thing,
Okay.
what in the
What is
world?
this? Plum Beauty Oil.
Oh,
Huh.
oh,
Organic anti-aging plum beauty oil.
that's not for you.
No, not for me. Not yet, at least. I got a little time.
Yes.
Fancy.
Ooh,
That
that's
looks
probably
nice.
very expensive. What's the brand? La Prunière. I don't know this brand at all. All I know is that it's PETA approved,
Guys, I'm
apparently.
trying my best. It's not working.
Generations Sisters
You're
Farm.
just not good. Here, I got it. You ready?
Yeah, antioxidants. Yeah, that's very nice.
Hold up.
See, it's hard.
I
Because
got it.
it's because it's focusing on all of our eyeballs. We all have to duck. Cover your eyes. Is it focusing now?
No.
That's okay. We tried.
That's okay. It's all right.
Yeah, no. Yeah,
That's
we're not.
okay. See,
Ooh,
it
I'm
smells
sure
good.
It smells good.
Ooh.
Oh, it
me see.
smells so good.
Yo, it smells like
Ooh, wait, I
candy.
can
It
actually
does. It does smell like candy.
It smells like a cherry.
Yeah, it smells like cherry candy, right?
It does.
Yeah, it smells, but not like cough syrup, cough drop
No,
candy.
like
good cherry
good.
candy.
Good candy. Man,
Ready?
Beautylish knocking it out of the park this year. Crushing
Okay.
it, Beautylish.
I got something big.
Yeah,
Something
there was some
big.
big stuff in there, but I was trying to find some small stuff first.
All right, who's ready
I'm so
for?
excited. I'm ready. Give it to me.
What day is it? It's
Wednesday?
Groundhog Day.
No,
with
it's not.
With groundwork defining neutrals.
Ooh. Are you serious right now? I've always wanted this.
Really?
Yes, this is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Define Neutrals.
It looks
of all the
fancy.
Danessa Myricks palettes, this is the one that I've always wanted. The way I am losing my right now, even though you've heard that word before. Look at this.
That's really pretty.
Oh, my heart
me
is
see.
exploding.
Ooh.
I mean, come on, Danessa. Come on,
drop-
Danessa.
That's a nice
okay.
palette.
This is beautiful. Now I just have to learn how to
that's
use
perfect.
because I know there's
really
a lot of
cute.
strategy and technique because she's such an amazing makeup artist. I am so excited for this.
That's really pretty.
Okay, I'm going into tutorials as soon as we get
I'm
off
glad
of
that
here.
there's I like that
Yes.
this one has a bunch of cooler tone shades too, because I feel like a lot of neutral palettes that like I've had, they're all warm toned and it just
Yeah.
looks orange on me.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that there's a lot of cool tones in this.
Yes. So maybe we can share it. I'll
Yeah.
share it with you if you'd like. That is exactly what I wanted in my life. I am so excited about this. Like I'm freaking out right now.
'Cause
I'm
we're not
so
usually this
excited.
lucky.
That's cool.
Yes.
We're
You're
usually,
not
we
usually,
usually
like
have
every
the
product
worst
mama's
luck.
like,
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
always something where I'm like, okay, well, that'll be a nice gift for someone.
Right.
And
All
so
right,
far,
let's
I've
see,
loved
let's see.
everything.
All
This
right.
is so exciting.
I'm loving my gift.
Hair oil.
Augustina Spader, another super uber luxury, amazing brand. I've owned one thing from Augustina Spader that I got from, remember that big advent calendar that I got? It was white. It kind of looked like a house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I remember
And
that.
yeah, so when I opened that, it had an Augustina Spader product in it, and I used it all up, and I loved it.
Yeah, this is
So
so
I'm
fancy.
so excited to try this. Let me see. You said it's a hair oil,
Mm-hmm.
with TFC8. I don't know what that means.
Who knows?
What does it do? Reduce breakage and rebuild healthy, lustrous strands from the inside out. Yes, give me more. Is there more than one thing left?
There might be something else. I don't know. I'm not 100%
We'll
sure.
see.
I'm just opening this while we're doing this. How am I so, like, I'm so happy with this.
Okay, well, there's
Freaking
one
out.
thing. Okay, guys.
Is this the last thing?
I believe so, yes.
Might be the last thing? Okay.
So, have you ever been spending a lot of time on a camera and you talk? Cause don't give me that look. I see you. I see you. You ever been talking on a camera and your eyes just start to get tired? Well,
Yeah.
you don't have to anymore with this energizing eye kit.
Okay,
Hold on, I'm gonna make sure there's nothing else in here.
We always get something from Good Molecules.
Uh-huh.
It's the Beautylish brand that's kind of like The Ordinary. They came out not that long after The Ordinary, and I have conspiracy theories about that. And it's all in my Brandon Truex Behind the Controversy, The Ordinary video in part 2. But, yes, off topic, plugging my other video. Energizing Eye Kit includes the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gels, Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. Stop, please. You're such a child.
I just like my
You have
bubble
not
wrap.
changed.
Pop in the
Just
bubble
like-
wrap in the
It's
corner,
not
bro.
changed. Just get it out of your system. Do it.
Okay,
Just
okay.
do it.
Oh, that was loud.
I think one more.
One more. One more. Get it.
That is good
Okay.
bubble wrap.
That's
some
good bubble
solid
wrap.
bubble
Okay, you
wrap.
feeling good now? Okay,
done
I'm
with
gonna
the bubble-
I'm gonna
done.
open this and see.
I got you, no problem.
Ooh,
Very
cute.
nice. So it's got the. I feel like I've gotten the Wake Up Eye Gel before. I might have even gotten these before. I don't know, but I really like Good Molecule stuff. They make really nice stuff. So this is probably the thing that I'm least excited about, but I don't dislike it. Like I'm
Right.
still very happy with it. So I mean, I don't even know what to say because this is like, I think this is one of my favorite Lucky Bags of all time. They did such an amazing
is a good
job.
one.
And one thing I noticed is there's a lot less unboxings of these this year than they normally are. They're out there, but there's a lot less, and I haven't seen anybody that I personally know doing one, which is unusual. So I think maybe they souped this one up to try to get a little more hype so that they could get more people buying them maybe. They even also had a relaunch, which they've never done before. They went through the process of selling them, and then they came back for a limited time for sale. So I don't know what's going on
Maybe
up there,
they're just
but
having trouble selling them.
maybe it's just not as much because there used to be a lot of hype surrounding them and not
Yeah.
as much anymore. So hopefully they continue doing it because I will continue getting them every year as long as I possibly can. And just in case you were interested in this, it does go on sale the day after Christmas every single year. In summary, for my monies, which I definitely got my money's worth, 100%, I got the Kitsch hair clip. I got the Auric eyeshadow. Yes. Charlotte Tilbury blush. Sisley lipstick. The Sonia G brush. La Prunier beauty oil. Danessa Myricks freaking groundwork palette. Are you serious right now? The Augustina Spader hair oil. And the Good Molecules energizing eye kit. And this year crushed. Beautylish did a great job, and I'm really hoping that a lot of the boxes were this good. I'm really hoping that a lot of people got to have this kind of experience because Beautylish really can be, like these Lucky Bags, they're very much a gamble. It's very much gambling. Sometimes
We've definitely had some years where we're like,
Yeah.
wow, I don't want any of this.
I'm like, wow, this is really unfortunate, but this was a great year. So thank you, Beautylish, for loading these up. They did not hook me up with this. I didn't tell anybody I was ordering it. I have no connection over at Beautylish, so this is just randomly associated, and there's been plenty of years where, like we said, it hasn't been good. So I'm hoping that more people were able to get this experience. So thank you again, kids,
Yep.
for being in the video with me. I appreciate you so much. This is your last year as a child.
As a child.
Being in this.
I'll come home from college to do Beautylish Lucky Bag 2027.
Will
I'm not going to be
you?
living that far.
Yay!
I'm living like 20 minutes away.
Oh, this makes me so happy. Thank you, children. And thank you all so much for watching. There's going to be some suggested videos down over here by the kids. And if you'd like to hang out and watch more videos, but if you got to go, that's no problem. Thank you for watching. And ready to do it?
Yep.
Mad love, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
I was wondering if you were going to do it or not. Word. She does it for the beauty.
Child. That is so loud.